Guys, we got a 2023 GMC AT4. Beautiful car, as you guys can see. Factor converter there, factor converter there. Then it wires into a single, then a flex pipe there, 3-inch pipe. The muffler usually goes right here. We just took it off and straight piped it. Right there, 3-inch pipe. Then it goes over the rear axle there. And then we did a resonator delete also, right there. And he wanted to see a little bit of chrome or stainless steel. So we put him a tip on it out the back right there to complete the look, as you guys can see there. Now the muffler and resonator that were on it, there's the muffler, there's the resonator we cut off. So we just straight piped it for him. We'll let you guys hear the first AT4 straight piped. Like always, guys, like, comment, and make sure you guys subscribe. Straight pipe. Wow, that sounds nice. 5.3 liter. Wow, that's cool. Oh yeah. That is loud. Sounds mean. Here, sound decibels. Go ahead. 105. Again. Go ahead and back it up. Ain't your typical grocery getter anymore. You guys gotta admit that sounds sick. I like it. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
Exhaust addicts, I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
GMC AT4 5.3 liter V8, fully straight piped. Just a sexy car. I love the new look of these. They're so mean. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Enjoy, guys.